Hello, the topic today is the contacts messages board. And so right now we're looking at the customer Fred Flintstone, and we're under the chat tab, chat and email, where we can send and receive texts and emails with customers and send and receive documents. And we have a history of each individual transaction that's occurred with this contact, whatever's outbound and whatever's inbound. And so with all the customers, we can also see all of the messages that are occurring, and that's this messages board up here, which is the very top. And basically in this case, if a new message comes in, there's going to be a red new messages mark up here. It's going to automatically come in, and we've got lead assignment and some other videos that talk about what happens with these messages when they come in and if any workflows assigned to them. But ultimately, if you see a red messages, you can click on this and you'll see that some new messages have come in. And if you're a manager, you can also get a sense of the activity that is occurring at your location and see who's actively using it and who they're actively communicating with. So it's an easy way to look at a roll-up and then the extra pages of communications that are occurring by your staff. You can see who's assigned to it and who they're talking to. Additionally, as you're looking at this, you can go right to that customer and that contact to their chat view and be able to go into more detail. So it's a very easy thing for tracking, kind of seeing a high level of what's the most immediate messages that are coming in and out of the system, as well as being able to some oversight to go in and look at how your staff are communicating with their contacts. So I hope this helped. There's a number of other videos that also talk about the message helper and building a message library, as well as the other text actions that are available for really simplifying information flow to and from customers. Thank you so much.